today, Brian, what's happening today?
We are going to the playoffs.
We're going to the playoffs. Today is the semifinals. It's the Water Dogs versus the Whip Snakes. I wore my Water Dog shirt, and Brian wore his Whip Snakes jersey because we don't care who wins. These are our teams. They're going at each other for the final. This is our third stop on the tour. Our first stop I did not video because I didn't know how it was going to be. We went to Baltimore, which was an amazing time.
That was a great time.
It was so great. Changed our life.
Yeah, honestly.
And then we went to Albany last week. I did film that. I'll probably put that in after this because it's like an intro. And then we're going to go to DC for the, I'm literally trying to burp at the same time. We're going to go to DC in 2 weeks for the
championship game.
We'll be at the championship game. We are so excited. We are about to head out. We're in New York. We're going to Philly for the game, and we'll update you there. We're very, very excited. At least I'm super excited.
Hopefully we don't get caught in the lakes.
Oh my God, yeah, the lake. Dude, it rained the other day.
Like crazy rain.
Apparently,
there are parts of Philly that are like
I know, flooded. Underwater. I told you Curtis was coming out.
There's like a photo of like I think one of the main freeways in Philadelphia, and it's just like water.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous, guys. We're going under. We're going swimming.
Waterworld.
Yeah, we're going to Waterworld.
Dorney Park has nothing on this.
Yeah, I know. Dorney Park? No, more like Philly streets. All right, we'll see you there. Look at this building. Guys, we are here to see the Water Dogs play. Obviously, me and Brian are both wearing our Water Dog shirt. We're really excited. This is, look, they even have a box office. Yeah. This is very different than
SUNY is no game.
This is different than where were we? Oh, Johns Hopkins.
Johns Hopkins, yeah. And they're a private school. This is like a state-funded public school system, guys. Like, this is legit. Albany is legit. It's great.
This is serious. We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. By the way, I was like, should I bring my camera in? I'm using my phone. I could have brought my camera. I didn't even check my bag.
Literally.
He literally didn't even check my bag.
He just like, nah, you worry about it.
I literally zipped it open. He's like, you good? I enjoy the game. With the one tooth. He literally had one. He literally had one tooth. Did you see him?
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is so much nicer. Oh my God, it's so much nicer. We were at Johns Hopkins University last time, and this is just so much nicer, so much better. Here we go. We're freaking at University of Albany. Got my nuggets, got my pork french cutters.
Good to go.
And we're gonna go find our seats. We are not in row R. You did not get us the tallest row possible. What seat am I?
60.
We're literally, as you can see, behind us is the wall. Brian got us the last row, but it's gonna be sitting behind. Play ball. They're like, let's announce the lineup, and they're like, the Atlas lineup. Brian's like, yeah, no one cares. This is what's up. Let's get it, dogs.
Yeah, they got the good music for the wall.
Yeah, the good music. Brian Brown, let's go. That's his family. Just kidding. I don't know. We're gonna get this today. Mark my words. The Water Dogs. We gotta get this. Playoffs are coming. We're in the playoffs, so it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Also, kids, I said this not on camera, but literally this is our second lacrosse game, and we're seeing the Atlas twice. It's literally unintentional. We just like, it just happens that they're always playing the Atlas, so we might as well freaking be Atlas fans at this point. Oh, here we go. The game has started. Yeah, Baptiste, his jersey's popular. He's a popular guy. The Atlas are a pretty good team too, so yeah. But we got this. There's Teat. Jeff Teat's freaking great. Okay, everyone, quick update. The Atlas are winning 4-1. We love life. I cannot even believe. Hold on.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, my God.
I don't think so.
Y'all, the Water Dogs just scored, and the buzzer went off. Like, right as soon as the buzzer went off. Yeah. And it's 3-4 now.
Yeah.
I wish I filmed that goal. That was incredible. We were just running. God bless. God bless. I gotta go wash my freaking hands. I told Brian if he could pick who he is out of everybody here, who would he pick? Because this is me. And he said, who'd you say you were?
I was the kid whose birthday's today.
Oh, there's a kid. It's his birthday today, so that's who he is. I wonder if we can get on the Jumbotron like last game. I don't see anybody. Come over here, film us. Come on, dog.
Come on.
Give it to me! That's what's up, dog. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh! That's what's up. Oh, we got it. What is it? A goal or a flag? Yeah, we did. That's what's up. Oh, I can't even right now. Mikey Slosher, a hat trick. Oh my God. You guys, Slosher, he literally just came in there and freaking, he literally just ran in there and was like.
Anyone else would have dropped that ball.
He fell, turned around, and still just shot it.
Oh.
Hat trick for Slosher. And guys, guess what? There's 3 minutes left, and the Water Dogs are 10 and 8.
Come on,
Let's finish this, baby. There's a minute left. A minute to go.
I'm going to.
Did he get it?
Behind the back goal, that's nasty. Whoa, that was sick. Okay, that was cool. That was cool. That was actually really cool. You know what? I respect it. I'll give it
Hold on, let's watch the replay.
That was sick. That was actually sick. This guy.
Is it Teat? Was it Jeff Teat? Hold on.
Yeah, it was. Yo, nasty.
Yo, I can't even tell. You can't even tell on camera.
That was so good. That was Teat.
This is it. This is literally do or die.
Oh
my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yes!
You still got it! The Chrome scored again? The Chrome's on fire. Not really, they're literally up by 1.
By 1 point.
They're killing it. They have
They're
one
killing
more.
it. They're crushing it.
This was the only Gatorade they had. Brian, how bad was the Gatorade?
I'm angry about how bad it is. I'm angry.
I'm not even kidding you.
I'm angry about it.
I am not having a good time right now because the Gatorade was so bad. I wish I was joking. I wish I was exaggerating.
Honestly.
It was disgusting. I will never get this Gatorade.
Like I told them, I'm glad that we had that Gatorade experience during the Chrome Cannons game, and not during the Whip Safe game, because it would have ruined the game for me, and we would have just went home. Like, you know what? I'm done with this. Go home.
We're glad we had it during the Chrome game, not the Water Dogs game.
Yeah.
Because, literally I can't even concentrate because it was so bad.
Look at that.
It really was bad.
Yeah, Water Dogs game.
Yeah, Water Dogs. That's
Look
what
at
he meant.
that.
Y'all
Look at
know
that.
what
I
he
messed
meant.
up. See?
See,
And I'm
the
so
Gatorade's
angry.
getting us. We're trying to get into the game right now, but the Gatorade really threw us off. Never again.
So we're gonna try
I give it a negative 10.
Oh, negative 10 out of 10. Oh.
Brian, I'm filming the game right now. This fucking guy. You guys, this guy right here is a big reason my experience has been ruined.
Take a shot every time I say that.
You guys, I literally I did it this way. So like my video is kind of this way. We just literally were looking for Gatorade. Next thing you know, we're where the players enter and we high-fived all the players. That was an amazing experience. He got high-fived by
so
Paul.
many people.
Ryan Brenner went on the other fucking side. I was like, are you kidding? I was screaming for Ryan, so I know he hears me.
Look what we found. Look what we found. Look what we found finally.
I was saying. I was like, there's no way. Brian was so adamant. I was like, there has to be.
They have to be here, and here they are.
God is real.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's go!
Hey.
Let's go, kids! Let's go, Cannons, baby. All right, everybody, listen. We made it to Subaru Park, and we're freaking out because it looks so good. And then I'm filming it, and we're like, no.
Hang on, maybe
try to show the fans.
Okay.
Try to get that Subaru Park. We're here, baby.
It's
so lit. I'm tears in my eyes.
No, the freaking barrier.
All right, guys, the barrier is there, but we are here at Subaru Park. It was a good drive.
It was a really good drive.
It was so easy. Oh my God.
Yeah, another
We're here
one.
And we can't wait. And it did drizzle, so I'm just hoping that it like holds sold out a little bit, but we're really excited to be here. Oh my god.
Super Park.
Subaru Park. Can't see shit, but there is a nice bridge. All right, we'll see you in the arena. Peace. Okay, everybody, listen to me. We are in line. We've been in line for at least 20 minutes. We're trying to get to parking lot C. I almost said B. All these people are waiting for B. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Like, oh my god, the train is coming. He's going. He's asking them. He's asking them.
Thank you.
Okay, he's getting back in.
Go. On the road. Go. On the road again.
All right, everybody. What the fuck is that? Is this C? I don't see C. I don't see C. No fucking way. Is this C? There's no. It doesn't say, everybody. Am I stressed? For sure. Y'all, we're just guessing at this point.
Yeah.
I feel bad that I just cut these people, but this is what's happening.
Hey, boss.
Oh my god.
This is lot C, right? Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
Us too. Great.
Oh my god, God bless.
So lot C.
We love him. We love this guy. We're gonna let him go. Yeah. Go, bitch.
Yeah, after you, bro.
You're amazing.
Yeah, he's
our first nice guy who was like
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Everyone.
See, me, I have no shame. I'll talk to all the strangers for us. Fuck it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why, because you know I won't talk to anybody.
I will.
Okay, guys. Hopefully we found lot C. The best part about this vlog is it's going to be at least 40 minutes of parking lot content.
Yeah,
so
easily parking lot.
This
first snippet is the parking lot saga.
Yeah.
This is the first
Honestly,
part.
I should just make a video. Parking lot to where are we? Philly.
To Philly, yeah.
Semi-final parking lot.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the videos are just lacrosse.
Yeah.
We're hoping DC is better. But you know what? We're gonna wake up early for DC, and we're gonna be close in DC.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, we're gonna be super good. We're there.
Yeah,
DC.
we're already there. We already have a plan for DC, everybody, and we'll update you with that plan when we're in DC.
That's right.
So this should be the end of our parking lot video.
Yeah.
We'll hopefully see you walking or on the inside. We are gonna miss. We're for sure gonna miss a little bit of the game.
Oh.
So
I mean, this game is fine. Like I'm okay missing.
You know what it is fine about this game is there are 2 games today. Mm-hmm. So we're going to see the second one, which was really what we came here for.
Yeah. The first one's just a bonus, so we're good.
Yeah, the first one's bonus. Go Chaos. All right, everyone. Am I already regretting not bringing my sweatshirt?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Am I that far from my car? No. Do I want to turn around?
Nope.
No.
No.
We're already missing the game because we didn't go around everybody.
We could have
went around everybody, and we didn't know that because there was no sign.
No.
And then nobody was going around us either. Like everyone was waiting in this line, so we're like, okay, we have to wait in this line.
Yes.
We didn't have to wait in this line. We're on our way. We're very close, but so far away.
Yeah.
The stadium is over here. But we got here early and we're seeing the game late. How do you feel, Brian?
Pumped. Either way, I'm pumped.
Oh yeah.
Look at the view.
Bro, look at this view.
Oh my god. That view is gonna be sick. In the water.
It's gonna be so sick.
It's gonna be sick.
Sick. I'll see you inside. Y'all, we are closer. We're almost to the freaking beginning. There is a long line, but
we're here though. We're here.
We're there. We'll see you on the inside. Oh my god, we have to go through metal detectors? Oh, this is an actual stadium.
Yes,
Dang, I don't want them to make me take my camera back. Guys, I might not be able to vlog. I'll update you later. Dude, it's so lit in there. It's so lit. Chaos goal! Let's go, Chaos! Hey everyone, real fun story for you. So basically, we walk to the gate, which is not even close. I get to the gate and the guy's like, your bag is too big. And I was like, my bag is too big? My sling bag, a literal sling bag, it was too big. And I'm like, bitch, what do I do? He's like, you have to take it back to your car. It's the size of the bag, apparently. It's not what's in it. So I'm stuffing my pockets with my charger, my camera, which they said I could bring in. If I have to go back to the car again, they're freaking lying to me. I have a tampon in my pocket that I'm just gonna lay it out for them because you wouldn't let me bring my bag. My pockets are weighing me down so much right now. And we were already late because of parking. So it's been really a fantastic day, and we'll just see where it takes us next. We're in. We're in. She let me in. Thank God.
Let's go.
Wow, it's really Here we are. We're about to go to our seats. We're going through the tunnel. We're gonna. Coach, put me in the game, bro.
Sorry.
These are our seats, everybody. Technically, technically, not really, but
We'll make it work.
we're just gonna fucking sit here for now. This has not been planned, but every single time we've come, we've seen the Atlas play.
Every single time.
Like every single time. This is our third game, and we've seen the Atlas play every time. It's unintentional. And you know what? We might as well be Atlas fans at this point.
Might as well get a back pitch in the
We're not. We're even rooting for the other team. Come on, boys.
Josh. Thanks, Josh.
Oh, kill him!
That was so cool.
An inch away from finding the back of the net. It would have been Josh Burns' fourth of the game.
Oh my God,
but
he's
instead it's
really,
Atlas
you guys,
position.
Josh is really fishing. Yeah! Yo, look at the scoreboard. Oh, look at that, baby. The Chaos said we're going to regroup and come back out here. We have RJ, he is vlogging, he is doing what he does best. He gave me the game ball when we went to Baltimore, the one that's not on the vlog. And he's just the best. We love RJ.
Oh, finish it.
Oh! Get it again! Get it again!
Chase Ranger.
That was sick.
Chase Ranger?
Sure.
Let's take another
Brian, every name I say, Brian's like, sure.
Oh, Frazier.
Frazier. Oh, sick. Are you kidding me?
Beautiful
Look at that.
That's crazy. How do you even do that?
Y'all, it's pretty safe to say that the road to KC belongs to the Chaos. They're very excited. We came here for the Chaos. Okay, the Atlas did just score, but
It's 9-14.
It's fine.
There's 5